Wonder how much I wrote down, you never broke down. My back used to be up against walls, it's on the ropes now. Fighting for that feeling we had in your Laredo. Back when you saw the thorns on my crown, more like a halo. My conscience punished me for the past while I was out there trying to ball. Bet you seen through the mask, hope I ain't being brash. If I say you could've split it with me, girl, you would see riches with me if you stuck around through the rags. My motivation these days is different. I mostly beat on myself, I don't wanna spoil a couple things I prayed for and was gifted. Just peek the drive, see how I stayed in my lane when they shifted. I knew that time could not erase what my destiny's written. Right there next to these writtens. In my skin and my DNA like the one that was risen. I'm out that grave and I'm where life is the only decision. I'm not alone in my plight, I want you alone for the flight. About to take off in a minute. I dreamed it up, changed out my lifestyle. New money, nice house, I cleaned it up. And that seems enough, but one thing really on me I'm thinking of. In my sleep I see new scenes of a just you, me, two rings, no strings to cut. But I don't know what you want. You thinking of it make me wrong. And has it been too long? Yeah, still I got my eyes on Riley Nelson sight, this tunnel vision. If I was missing, I don't know who might be. Thought you would at what time.
Cause the whole world outside, sun in my eye, a girl in my ride, head in the sky. We gon' make it if we try. The truth never lie, wings we could fly with you by my side. This morning, oh yeah, and I woke up this morning. Not every day is easy, but I'ma keep it breezy. Turn into a butterfly. I'm on the grass, it's always greener on the other side. And we gon' make it out the struggle, though we traumatized. I used to take this life for granted, I apologize. So thankful I'm alive, this jungle I survive. I'm on a natural high, just like the east side rise. My ass is sunny side, it's up to you to decide. Get on my level, tell the devil go somewhere and hide. The whole world outside, sun in my eye, a girl in my ride, head in the sky. We gon' make it if we try. The truth's never lie, like wings you can fly, with you by my side. This morning, oh yeah, and I woke up this morning.
So guys, that's very much it. I'm currently recording from my iPhone, yeah, and the sun is. I'll be having a Zoom meeting in no time. I have to check my email. When I'm done checking my emails, I'll maybe relax a little bit and chat with friends, reply some messages, and focus on creating new content, which is writing script for it. At the moment, I'm just using my new MacBook, which I just bought yesterday. I'm so tired. I should have even taken this one off. I don't know why it's still on my arms, because yesterday we went to the beach, as you guys saw, and my microphone got spot. That's so badly. This week hasn't been good to me because I lost a whole huge amount of money this week. But anyways, it's just investing in myself, you know. I bought a new camera lens because my lens is spot. I had to buy a new one, so I bought the Vitrox 50mm f1.8. if I'm not right. I'm not good at lens though. I've used this laptop for about 3 years now. Can you guys see? You see, it is totally like gone. I'm trying to make it focus, but it's not working. But anyways, yeah, it is what I have to fix the screen. Maybe I'll do a giveaway, or maybe I don't know. But one of my friends says he wants it or something. I might also do it and give it to my sister. I don't know for now. The funny thing is, guys, I have a deadline to submit a video, and it's so crazy. And my laptop was bought. The camera that I'm using to like film the video is not. Wait, hold on. I'm tripping. Relax, calm down, baby, calm down. Anyways, so the lens that I'm going to use it to shoot that video is not yet in. So I have no option because the delivery driver is just killing me. Guys, if I tell you, like, yes, he was supposed to bring the lens yesterday. I ordered it from Amazon though. He was supposed to bring the lens yesterday. He didn't bring it. He told me, oh, blah, 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 blah. Like, it's rather unfortunate. So I'm not even here to explain much, but it pissed me off yesterday because I had to shoot a video and it wasn't in. Secondly, yeah, I have a message for Jim. Anyways, I don't know if I'm going to even make it. Anyways, so he had to bring it yesterday. He didn't bring it. That wasn't enough. Yes, today he's supposed to bring it. And you know something? You know, I've been moving around a lot. So because I've been shooting different videos, and right now I'm at yeah. I don't want to mention the location because I'm not doing any promotion. I'm just telling you guys. Yeah. Anyways, no secrets. So he was supposed to bring it to my house where I live. He didn't bring it. So I told him, bro, it is just like few minutes away from my place. So why don't you bring it here? Guess what? This guy told me that he can't come. I'm like, yo, I gave you the chance to redeem yourself today, or I'm gonna give you a bad review or something. And I'm not that type of person. This guy told me he's not gonna bring it. I have to come there. And I told him, what's the difference? Because it's just like 4 or 5 minutes away from that place. Why don't you just bring it here? And he's arguing with me. So I told him, okay, take the camera. Anyways, I'm just gonna get a refund. And he was like, okay, give me some minutes, I'll be there soon. He pissed me off. Like, he took, and he didn't even bring it. Now I'm still here. It's been like 30 minutes now, and he's still here. What do you want me to do? Catch him, eh? What do you want me to do? And it's I'm ranting. Anyways, I have to do other things. So let me just edit the video and just upload it, because I'm editing part of this video right now. I'm trying to edit the thumbnail, which is very nice. I'm using Lightroom, by the way, and when I'm done, I'm just gonna add the text. I don't want so many things to be on the thumbnail. I want it to be very simple, which I have to take a new picture or something. I took a picture yesterday, but I don't know if it's gonna work. So I'm just trying different types of thumbnails, like 3 maximum, to just see how it goes, because I'll be swapping it. Because of JBO, the sponsorship, I actually got some money from there, so I had to buy a new laptop right away, because that's where I get my money from. So you have to also invest in yourself. If you don't invest in yourself, you get the money and you spend, it's not gonna make any value. You have to invest all the money in yourself, not by spending it you get it. Just buy something that will help you, something that will bring back the money. That's what we are doing. And yesterday the B-rolls just saved me because my camera went off, and I was supposed to do a normal vlog at the beach, but it couldn't happen. As you guys know, I'm already done sipping some tea, and it's time for breakfast itself. So I have to go downstairs and get my breakfast, because it's 8 o'clock. Maybe I'll be going around 9 though. I'm just saying it. So if you see me there, it won't be something really huge. Selling pencils from a cup. Big man giving out orders. Turns to us, says, listen up. Oh, we're gonna die here. You gotta get out when
You can't tell me a damn thing. I'm lost, at least it's a daydream. I turn into a hole. My days don't stop till my legs weak. My heart is beating like crazy. Does it all to a tune of its own. Truth, I don't know if I can get a hold on me and I lose control.
My time is so limited. I don't know if this will be possible. If it's possible, then maybe if I edit it and it's not more than 10 minutes, I have no option than to wait for like the next time. Then I'll shoot some vlog and add it to it. Yeah, that might be making sense, but because I don't want to be uploading like short vlogs anymore. So